To stop your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra from flashing camera light when receiving notification, first make sure that the camera light notification option is off. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility and then tap accessibility, tap advanced setting. Under notification section, tap flash notification and then tap the blue on option next to camera flash notification until the switch on screen to turn it off. By turning this option off, now your phone will not flash the camera light when you receive notification from any app. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.